Next category is radio wave. So radio wave transmission making the use of radio frequencies in terms of the radio wave transmission. All today's radios, however, the use of continuous sine wave to transmit the information from one place to another place. So each different radio signals uses the different sine wave for or a frequency for the transmission. Radio wave setup has the two part. One is the transmitter, second one is receiver. So the major difference between the microwave and radio wave does not require the line of sight, and radio wave is for receiving the signals we require the less expensive device for receiving the signal. So the advantage of radio waves are radio wave transmission offers the mobility. It proves cheaper than digging trenches for a laying cave outs. This is similar to a microwave. It offers a freedom from land acquisition and it offers ease of communication over the difficult terrain. Disadvantage is almost similar to a microwave. Radio wave communication is an insecure and radio wave propagation is susceptible from weather like rains, thunderstorm, etc. And the third category of wireless is a satellite. So there is the no range limitation in this communications. So this is mostly used for a broadband communication. So a number of communication satellites owned by both the government and the private organizations has been placed in stationary orbits about the 22,300 miles above from the Earth. So the major advantages and disadvantages of the satellites are the area coverage through the satellite transmission at quite large. The laying and maintenance of intercontinental cables is difficult and expensive. The heavy uses of intercontinental traffic makes the satellite commercial. Satellites can cover the large area of the Earth. And the disadvantage is technical limitations preventing the development of large high gain antennas, overcrowding of available bandwidth due to the large antennas gains, the high investment cost and insecure cost associated with this significance. And these are the some other unguided media. Number first is the infrared, that is used for the small range, and nowadays these are used in TVs, remotes, automatic garage gates, wireless speakers, etc. This is also used in a personal digital assistant that is called a handheld transmission devices. Second category is a laser. Laser is works also on a line of sight technology. It is used the microwave but has a higher speed than the microwaves. And the third category is a Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a telecommunication industry specification that mostly devices is used nowadays, such as the mobile phone, computers, personal digital assistant, etc. So the Bluetooth requires that a low cost transceiver chip by including the each device.